is maintain the purchase, sales, salaries, rent, wages, cash. All are first entering into the original entry journal. And second step, classifying means dividedly. Classifying means dividedly separate heads. Maintain the purchase account, sales account, salaries account, rent account, cash account, wages account. Separate accordingly. Now you know about the information, easily find out the how now today purchases, how much amount purchases, like 20,000, and sales, today sales 10,000, and next one cash, either cash or credit, cash, today cash received 10,000. Here clearly clarity information of the accountant. That's why classifying means separate posting into the ledger is called as a ledger posting. Clear? First recording the journal and separately posting into the ledger. Next, summarizing. Next one, summarizing all the transaction recording in one book. Summary finally. Total yearly sales, total yearly purchase, total salaries, total payments, total receipts. They can maintain the summary of the book. Summary or summarizing is known as trial balance. At the end of the accounting period, to preparing the arithmetical accuracy is known as a trial balance, is known as a summarizing. And next, financial transactions. First of all, identification of the monetary terms in the books of accounts recording those were economical activities transaction recording into the accounts. Only monetary terms recorded. Financial transaction and events. Next, communicating the information to its users. Users is nothing but internal and external users. Internal and external users. Internal users is nothing but owners, managers, board of directors. These are the internal users. Like external users, suppliers. Next one, customers. Next one, government. Suppliers, customers, government, lenders, etc. And these are the external users. Clear? Accounting all the information, those we are interested parties. Interested parties like internal and external users, owners, managers, board of directors. Internally managing of the business, and externally providing the information to the public like suppliers, customers, government, lenders, there is nothing but bankers, and finally we need it for decision making. All the information to get the next step or next account here, how to prepare the business, and finally decision making. Decision making. These are the definition of accounting. Definition of accounting. Here once again, accounting is a process of recording. Recording means all the transaction. A recording of the books of original entry is known as a journal. Is known as a journal. And finally, recording the order, chronological order. Chronological order. Chronological order. Chronological order is nothing but date wise. Date wise. First step, record. Second step, classifying. Separate head posting to the classifying is nothing but ledger. Is known as a ledger posting. And third one, summarizing. Summarizing is nothing but preparing the trial balance. And finally, financial transaction and events. You know about the before the introduction, transaction and events, find out the at the end of the accounting period, financial statements. Financial statements. A financial statement are first one, financial results, and next one, financial position. Financial position. Financial result is nothing but profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. Short form P and L account. Financial position is nothing but balance sheet. Balance sheet. Totally financial statement. Here financial information to its users. Users, they can providing the information to the financial statements. Financial results is nothing but profit and loss account. Financial position is nothing but a balance sheet. That's it. Definition of accounting. And next class discussing to the most important definitions are one or two definitions, AICPA definitions providing for the next class. Okay, that's it.